Dear students of 10th class, Assalamu alaikum. As you already know, we have been dealing with the topic punctuation. Today we are going to learn some more punctuation marks. First, we try to learn semicolon. Semicolon, it is used to separate main clauses in compound sentences. You already know compound sentences not joined by a conjunction. When compound sentences are not joined by a conjunction, we use semicolon to separate main clauses. For example, he was honest and hard working. After this clause, we put semicolon. He was promoted out of term. And it is also used between main clauses joined by connectives. Connectives, we also call them sentence connectors. For example, sentence connectors are connectives like besides, however, moreover, therefore, etc. We call them connectives. For example, he has committed a grave offense. When we write this clause, he has committed a grave offense, and we put semicolon after the end of this clause and write, for example, however, and we also put comma after however, I excuse you this time. Then there is another punctuation mark, we call it colon. Colon, it is used to introduce a list of items. List of items, especially after phrases. After phrases, the phrases are, for example, when we write as follows, or we write the following, etc. For example, the list of things we need is as follows. As follows, it is a phrase, and we put after this phrase colon. Another example, the following is the weather report. The following is also a phrase, and we put colon at after this. The following is the weather report, then we write here colon. And it is colon is also used before a phrase or clause that explains or illustrates what is said in the main clause. What is said in the main clause. For example, there are two classes of verbs in English. When we write in this way, there are two classes of verbs in English, we put colon and then write auxiliary verbs. Number 1, auxiliary verbs. Number 2, main verbs. This is the way of writing sentences and to make use of the punctuation mark colon. And then there is another punctuation mark, we call it hyphen. And hyphen it is used in writing out compound numbers. When we write compound numbers, for example, compound numbers 21, when we write 21, we should put hyphen after 20 and then write 1. 21, 22, 23 or 56 up to 99, up to 99. Then there is another use of hyphen. Where we use this hyphen? We use this hyphen between a cardinal number and an ordinal number. Ordinal number 1/3. One is cardinal number third, or another is ordinal number 1/3 or 3/4. 3/4. And this is also, hyphen is also used in writing to form compound words from two or more words of a different parts of a speech. When there are words from a different parts of speech, you know parts of speech, noun, verb, adjective, adverb, etc. When we write compound words from two or more words of a different parts of a speech, and we make use of this hyphen. For example, mother hyphen in hyphen law, mother-in-law. In the same way, dining room hyphen room, or weight lifting, weight hyphen lifting. Then there is another use of this hyphen where we use it also to form compound words from a prefix and a noun. When a compound word is formed by making use of a prefix and a noun. And prefix, you know, when we put a letter or letters before a noun or before a word, we call it prefix. For example, co-education, co-education, co-education. In the same way, ex-principal, ex-principal. Ultraviolet, ultra-violet. Ultra is prefix, ex is prefix, co is prefix, and education, principal, this is noun. Preschool, also preschool, prefix is preschool, pre and school, noun. And it is, hyphen is also used between two numbers to include inclusion. Inclusion, when we include something. For example, if we write 1857 hyphen 1947, 1857, 1947, it means from 1857 to 1947. We put hyphen between these two, and it is used for inclusion, and we include this period from 1857 to 1947. This was a little bit information regarding punctuation. Thanks.